Safety isn't just about compliance. It's about leadership, confidence, and creating a culture where employees thrive. We asked recent graduates of our Certified Safety Manager course what they thought about the training. Here's what they had to say.
My name is Allison, and I work as a Senior Regional Manager for Wayfair with their Global Safety and Security team.
All right, my name is Brad Schaff. I'm the Safety Director for Shad Refractory Construction Company.
Okay, well, my name is JP Berkman. I work for Bay Center Foods.
Yeah, my name's Russell Peterson. I'm a EHS Specialist 3 with Trinchero Family Estates.
My name is Steve Schneider. I work for the U.S. government at the Department of Housing and Urban Development in Washington, D.C.
My name is Christopher Warren. I work for Tyson Foods.
My name is Amber Casillas. I work for Stanislaus Food Products.
My name is Edward Smith. I work for Goodwill of Colorado, and I think the class was awesome.
This course reinforced all the things that I've learned over the years.
My perspective on this class was that it gave me a very solid starting point.
Really enjoyed the class, very knowledgeable, very in-depth. I think this class is a great step for someone seeking to get more knowledge overall.
The class was excellent, actually. I learned a lot more than I thought I was going to learn.
It was a great experience. I've gotten to the safety world sort of about a year ago, so I'm newer to it, so there was a lot of knowledge in that room between the classmates, the teachers, and just the interaction alone.
Eric is a good guy. I love his delivery, his sense of humor. He's willing to stop and clarify and elaborate if that's requested, and that's awesome. That's a good quality.
Definitely that SME that we all need to have that connection with.
He's a really good instructor, really well-spoken, hands-on, real great at communicating.
Kept it interesting, not just dry, and we're just running through the PowerPoints.
I think Eric is a great instructor. I learned a lot from him. Very knowledgeable.
Eric was incredible. The man is an encyclopedia of knowledge. Honestly, there was no question that he was stumped on or got stumped on, and he really, really helped us out.
I wanted to take this class so I could get to the next step to take the Certified Safety Director and then proceed on to the Master Safety Professional.
As we're starting to work through material, then I did realize, wow, okay, there is more to this than I thought.
How in depth we went into some of the topics and how involved we got was a little more surprising to me, I would say.
You start to learn that a lot of the regulations, a lot of the regulating parties have the same views.
I would definitely recommend this to others.
I'm really happy that I came.
Oh, absolutely recommend it.
I'll definitely take another one.
100%. I'm actually signing up for my next class before I leave.
I would absolutely recommend it to any safety professionals that are new like me, or even someone that's a veteran that's been in safety for a long time.
I don't regret it one bit, and I wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone else that is looking to enter the safety field.
Just don't miss the class.
The Certified Safety Manager course goes beyond the basics, giving you the skills to lead, train, and protect your workforce with confidence. Gain expert knowledge, meet OSHA compliance requirements, and take home the tools you need to build a safer workplace. Ready to take the next step in your safety career? Enroll today at naspweb.com.